What is up, guys? This is Andrew with MyWatchAddiction.com, and today we have our box opening of the Watchgang Black subscription for April 2018. All right, so before we get started, just a couple quick things. First and foremost, I have my Black subscription and my Watchgang Platinum subscription. I'm going to record them both tonight. The Black subscription I will release on Wednesday, and the Platinum unboxing video will likely come out on Friday, just due to my timing and trying to get everything done. I have been traveling a little bit. That's why the schedule's been a little bit irregular with the videos dropping, but we have a lot more to come, and hopefully I can get back onto a regular schedule. Number two, my cat and my dog are being assholes tonight. So every time I try to shut the door to my studio, they sit outside the door and whine. So during this video, if at any time they walk in and out of the room, that's why. So I apologize ahead of time for that. Anyway, let's tear into this Watchgang Black subscription for April 2018. But before we do, let's take a look and see what's on my wrist. So the watch of the day is that TAG Formula 1 that I just received in and will be reviewing extremely shortly. Likely the video will come out next week on the review of this TAG Formula 1. So for those of you that are not familiar with Watchgang, Watchgang is a monthly watch subscription service that sends a new watch to your door each month. This is actually the Watchgang Black subscription, which is $99 a month, and is billed as sending you a watch that is worth anywhere from $150 to $500. Again, $99 a month. Quick tip, if you sign up for more than 1 month, you do get a little bit cheaper rate on the monthly fee for that. But month to month, there's no subscription fee. You can cancel at any time. And I know the majority of you guys already know that. So we are just going to tear into that. First thing I'm going to say is it's not a box, it's a padded envelope. So it will be interesting to see what we got here. Now, I should have had this watch actually 2 days ago. However, my mail lady, for some reason, loves to keep things from me and constantly wants to not deliver my mail. So I'm doing this unboxing long after everybody else has done their unboxings, which kind of stinks, but it is what it is. So first thing I've noticed is we don't have an actual partner card. It looks like we have a pamphlet, which has a whole bunch of information in it. So we'll take a look at this a little bit more in depth when we do an in-depth review of this watch. Pretty interesting things. It does give you the Grail winners of the month, who won watches, and featured watch of the month, different things like that. And then on the back, it looks like it might be a poster, but spoiler alert, there is the link to the Watchgang Black tier subscription information. And let's see what we got. Hawaiian Lifeguard Association official watch. So what is this guy? Well, that's kind of interesting. So I have never heard of this company. Doesn't mean anything whatsoever, because as I've mentioned multiple times, I am new to this whole watch collecting hobby. But we'll zoom in here on the watch itself. It has pretty interesting dial. Let's see if we can take a look at the back and find out anything about this watch. This is a Japanese quartz movement. We're going to dive in and find out a little bit about it in the past. Silicone straps. Right off the bat, the straps feel a little bit plasticky, but we'll definitely dive into that a little bit and see what we can find out. But guys, that is my Watchgang Black subscription for April 2018. Definitely post up in the comments below if you guys have heard of this watch company before, if you've seen this watch before, if you know anything about this watch. And I will likely come back and do a deeper dive into this watch and what I can find out about it here in probably a few days once I can get it on my wrist and see what it's all about. At face value, just initially looking at it, I don't hate it. Yeah, I don't hate it, so that's a plus. Do I know if the value's there? Do I know if anything about this watch? No, I don't know anything yet. So that's why I want to be able to come back and do a deeper dive into it, see what I can find out about it, and then we can go from there. Incidentally, as a reminder, guys, this is a silicone strap. All of my preferences are set to the strap or band style being my #1 priority, and I have stainless steel or a bracelet listed as my #1 priority in my preferences. But we all know that it is a monthly watch subscription service that sends you a blind watch, and with as many members as they have, I'm assuming they cannot meet the preferences all the time, or in my case, any of the time. Just kidding, guys. Some of them they met. Anyway, I'm going to get out of here and get back to what I was working on tonight. Definitely be back and take a look at this watch with you a little bit closer detail here in the future. Guys, don't forget though, down there in the right-hand corner of the screen is that subscribe button. Go ahead and smash that, guys, so you can be alerted when I do the deeper dive into this watch and see what I can find out about it. Anyway, guys, have a great night, and we will see you soon.